Thanks, Srinath. I am Prijit, working in DBG as a senior software engineer. We can look on the latest technological updates from last 1 month. Google conducts developer conference at every year called the Google I/O events. Now it's happening in San Francisco. So most of our updates are from Google I/O events. Okay, let's start. Google launches Android Auto. Google announced a version of Android called Android Auto. It used while driving. It's actually focused on two different driver frustration. First one is play music, and second one is getting direction while driving. It has many features. For example, we can change the song using our voice commands, which is less dangerous than swiping around the screen. And Google Map in the Android Auto also fully voice controlled. It will speak directions aloud, and we will display them on screen. Next one is Google previews the next big release of Android L. Actually, Google didn't give any name to the new version of Android. Now it's called as Android L. The main feature in the Android L is the main change in the Android is it has new design and new user interfaces. New design allows developers to write code for different screen sizes rather than writing code for the individual smartphones and tablets. Google actually, when we open Google Chrome in our older version of Android, it appears as a browser tab. But when we open Google Chrome in Android L, it appears as a card. Now Android L is 64-bit with ARM processor. Next one is Amazon announced for phones. It looks like any other smartphone, but it's a secret. It consists of 4 front-facing infrared camera, which shows depth of the phone. That means it looks like looking down the street, looking to the phone's screen. We can check this image. The phone have 4.7-inch screen and 13 MB camera, 2.2 GHz processor, and 330 and Adreno 330 graphics and 3 GB of RAM. Firephone has a new feature called Firefly. Using Firefly, we can detect through camera, a phone number, movie, CD, etc. Next one is Google rolls out Android TV. Actually, Android TV is a new enhancement to the smart TV development. Using our mobile phone, Android devices, we can control a smart TV. We can do Google search, YouTube search on Android TV. Sony and Sharp are the early partners, and now LG, Asus are falling into this group. We can check a video.
Hey, it's Joshua Gar from Android Authority. What's going on, everybody? And here we are with Android TV. I have the lovely Chelsea here giving us a demo of the interface and what kind of applications we'll be able to go through. One thing I do have to explain real quick, though, is even though this is coming through a box, we're not going to be seeing any of the live TV capabilities of this, but that's okay because this is not exactly, or rather, the boxes that are being given out to developers at the show are not going to be truly indicative of what the final consumer types are going to be. But at least we can see what Android really looks like on a TV in this particular interface, and Chelsea's going to show us what it's all about. I'm going to hand the mic to her, but I'm going to get it back from her at some point, so make sure you guys sit back and enjoy this. There you go.
Thanks. So there are two ways you can control Android TV. You can do it through a wireless remote like this, to play games, and I'll show that in a little bit. You can also do it through your phone. So this is, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but how the app looks right now, just a prototype, and you're able to toggle through the banners with just an up, down, right, left. So the first banner you have is, in this case, recently watched content. So we watched the Lego movie a little earlier. You've got a couple other things we looked up, and then you're going to start to see apps and content that the app would suggest based on things you've liked, and things you've watched, and things you've searched. That's pushed through the app, not Google. Then we move down to the next banner, which is apps. Those are not just movie like Netflix or TV shows. It can also be something like Songza, so you can play music in your living room, or it's this is really just meant to be a way to access all the content you need and want in your living room or wherever else you might have a TV. And then we move down to games. So I'm going to take you back up and show you voice search, which I think is the coolest part of Android TV. With voice search, you can do anything you would search on Google. So you can search something like, who is the President of the United States? Barack Obama.
And next one is Google spending $1 billion on internet satellite. Just like balloons in the Google Balloons project, balloons in the Google Balloons project, now satellites are used to provide internet to remote areas. Actually, satellites are the best internet provider so far, because satellite, using 180 satellite, we can provide internet to large area. So people can get online for some simple task, even if there is no ground-based internet providers. That's all. Thank you.